and welcome to a Crofts viewing on the Becklands, and that's North Thoresby Road in Tetney. And what a beautiful property it is too. A very spacious garden here, very spacious. Taking you through to the main entrance of Becklands. So we've got double doors that are going to take you through to a beautiful hallway. Now the hallway is sizable, really sizable. It harbours a dining table within the porch here, or the hall should I say. So plenty of room to dress the property. Now from here I'm taking you to the right on the property, or right on the entering, and going into a very spacious living room. And as you can see, it's a really bright house. With a lovely little fireplace there, gas supply, and then through back into the hallway. Now I'm going to take you round so it loops around in a circle sort of thing. So if we start here, we're wandering through the hallway, and first of all we're into the bedroom here. A good sized double with lots of storage, and you'll find that throughout the property here. And then we're on to a sizable bathroom, corner bath. Once again nice and bright. Now this is on the market for 240,000. Now it does need some modernisation, but for someone with an eye, this is going to be a beautiful property. Steps down to another double bed. Now you have storage in the corner here, and then you have a shower room. So that's your ensuite, and then out we go and down into a utility space. And then through here and up into a kitchen. Now the kitchen is once again a lovely area, a lovely bright area that offers room for dining as well. And then we loop back into the lovely hallway here. Now as you can see, what we've done is a tour all the way through, and it loops all the way around, bringing you into the kitchen space and back out into the hallway and the lovely living area just set off to one side. Now once again, this property is on the market with Crofts for 240,000. Now I'm hoping that these few minutes will give you an insight to obviously what the property offers you. You've got gardens all the way around, so you've got room the other side obviously offering you a space to do vegetable plots, and some other area to the other side to pop a shed if you wanted to. So it does really need a viewing on this property. It's a lovely property with so much potential. Once again, if you are interested in viewing this property, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666. And I would like to once again thank you for viewing, and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye now.